welcome back to another video. I've got some packages to open and today we are going to be setting up the bird feeders that I got. I really just meant to get one bird feeder and somehow I ended up with 3. So I'm going to try and come up with some ideas of what to do with the bird feeders. I'm going to put one on my deck because I already had this hook up there and it was the first one that I bought and we wanted to get started on that. So we actually already put that up, but I will show you what we did in just a minute. I don't know about you, but as for me, I have the ugliest septic tank eyesore in my backyard. Like, why is it right in the middle of literally everything? And I've looked at it for so long and I'm sure you've seen it. It's right in front of my cute little cottage. So I'm trying to disguise that. I thought, what can I do? So I got this big rock and I'm going to open that up and we're gonna see if it even fits over the septic tank. It's a plastic rock and it's supposed to cover it. And then I thought, why am I just gonna have a rock out in the middle of the yard? So I think I'm going to make a little circle, like how people have a circle in their yard with maybe some flowers in it. I see those all the time, just random circles. So it's just gonna be a circle with a rock and a bird feeder. I was gonna put a bird bath, which I was looking for in my last video. Uh-oh, the dogs are barking. I had no luck with the bird bath, but I think the feeder is going to work great. It was actually my first idea. I thought it was going to be too tall and like just kind of in the way of my cottage view, but I think it'll actually complement it. That's what I'm hoping. Also, I have a missing nail, so let's ignore that for the rest of the video. Let's not just ignore the missing nail, let's ignore the hair too. Tomorrow is my hair appointment and I'll be looking much more fabulous, but this is the box that the rock is in. And there were several colors, so hopefully I like this color. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna try to get it out and hopefully it fits. Oh my God, it is huge. Wow. Okay. This is the rock. We're going to bring it outside and get started. Okay, this is the eyesore in question. We're gonna try this rock out now. First thing I'm gonna do is move this rock, at least try to. It's pretty heavy. Okay. I'll let my husband do that when he gets home, but we're gonna cover this flat part up with something else. So basically I'm just trying to cover this and I don't even know if it's even gonna work. This is gonna be a much bigger circle than I anticipated because I was gonna make a border around it and put rocks in it. There's no way. Okay. They do have a circle grass patch that I could put on here and just leave it at that, which I think would work, but why is there a rock in the middle of the yard? Is that weird? Okay, I knew I wanted this rock to cover the septic tank because that was the only solution that I could come up with. We had these pavers from a previous project years ago and I thought, let's make a circle. But once I got out here, I was like, oh my gosh, a circle is going to be way too big. So I just started arranging them however I felt looked right, and we did a little oval. And also I was thinking, I don't even have enough pavers to make a circle, so we actually got away with using pavers that we already had, and we had just enough to make this oval. Although I wasn't too sure of it right away, I wanted to lay it out and just kind of walk around and look at it and make sure that this is really what I wanted to do before we started digging, because as I was laying it all out, I was really starting to question whether this was going to be a good idea or not. As you can see, we have the bird feeder that we attached to this post that we got at Home Depot. I think we got both the bird feeder and the post at Home Depot, and my husband just mounted it to this wood because we couldn't put it into the ground because it's on top of the septic tank. So I thought, let this look like a light post or a lamp post and have the little bird feeder because we've been having so much fun feeding the birds. I really just had to sit and stare at it for a while and think about it overnight before I decided that I really wanted it dug into the ground, but I decided let's go ahead and do it because anything is going to be better than what we've been looking at. I just didn't want it to look weird. So the next day, my husband just dug up the area to put the pavers down, and we put some weed barrier down so no weeds would grow through, and we picked up some rock at Home Depot that matched the other rock that we already have in our landscaping. We got the purple lava rock, and we did 2 layers of pavers. It was a little uneven, so I think that's why we had to do 2 layers. I'm not really sure, but I think it turned out really good. It looks super cute, and it wasn't a very big, time-consuming or expensive project. The most expensive thing was that rock. And as you can see here, I tried to film us putting the barrier down and the rocks, but it was so hot. When I went outside, my camera fogged up because my phone died, so I did get a few little clips, but they're not the greatest. This was a fun little weekend project, and I also painted the post pink, and it was my husband's idea, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So pleased with how it turned out. I kind of think the post might be a little crooked, but it was so hard to get it straight. I will have to mess with that later, but I was trying to decide whether to paint the post black or pink. I kind of wanted it to look like a lamp post. And my husband's like, you have pink paint, just paint it pink. So I put a couple coats of pink paint on it last night. I will have to go around the bottom edges with a smaller brush, but I think it looks so cute, so much better than the eyesore of a septic tank that was out here. Like, I was trying to figure out something that would make this space look cute and not take up a lot of room, and I really couldn't do plants, so. Okay, I told you we got 3 bird feeders, so this is the second bird feeder we put up on our deck on this little hanging basket post. We have 2 hanging flowers and the bird feeder, and this is one of our busiest bird feeders, and I love being able to look out my kitchen window and see all of the birds. I did not find a place for the cedar one. I accidentally ordered that one before I found the other one. I mean, I guess I didn't order it on accident, but I got it before the other one, and then I have no place to put it now. So if I figure out a place, I will show you guys what we did with it. But this bird seed actually kind of clogged up this bird feeder, so we won't be using that again, but it's live and learn. We will figure it out. The finches kind of took over out here, and what is going on? This one finch was feeding all of the other ones. They were all freaking out, wanting her to feed everyone. So they made such a big mess, knocking all of the seeds on the ground. And I feel like they are running the bluebirds and cardinals off. So if you have any bird seed and bird feeder tips, drop them down below in the comments. But that is it for today's video. I have lots more videos coming your way and lots of fall and Halloween content I'm getting prepared for. So stay tuned and subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!